How are you all? Welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. News flash. Shytoshi just said that there will be no more Shiba Inus by next year. Shiba Inu prices are having a hard time going up to better goals. It was hard to predict how the popular meme coin would do in September. Traders saw shakeouts and fakeouts go both ways. There may be a chance to short the SHIB price in the next few days, even though it has been harder to trade in these digital assets. For this video, we'll talk about cutting. Shytoshi just said that Shiba Inu stock will be gone by the end of the year. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see more expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba Inus. Let's start the video right away. Shiba Inu is worth $0.00000010 right now. During each counter trend spike in the market, the total turnover has gone down. The volume profile analysis says that this supports the idea that the trend is weakening. The price of the Shiba Inu also faces structural pushback at the $0.000000115 and $0.00000000110. The previous drop in July broke through extremely oversold territory on the relative strength index, and it has yet to recover into the opposite extreme. When you put these things together, Shiba Inu's price is likely to stay down, unless the swing high from September at $0.000000139 is broken. But traders with a sharp eye might want to get in near the current price levels in the next few hours, because the 21-day simple moving average and 8-day exponential moving averages were recently rejected and could lead to a bearish death cross. If the cross happens, it's likely that the September low of $0.000000992 will be broken. More goals could be near the June 18th thrust candle at $0.0000000, which would mean that the price of Shiba Inus would drop by 25% from where it is now. 2022 has not been a good year. So far this year, the price of one Shiba Inu unit has dropped by about 69%. There are many reasons for the change in investor mood, such as the fact that high-risk assets have been sold off in large numbers and Shiba Inus have not been widely adopted. The community is working on a number of projects to help bring the token's value back to life, but so far none of them have had a big effect. The release of a certain new game on October 6th, on the other hand, could definitely pick things up this month. Shiba Eternity is the name of the new game, which can be downloaded on phones from Apple's App Store and Google's Play Store. People will be able to fight each other in this collectible card game, which is similar to card games like Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon. Each player will be given a Shiboshi, a digital dog-like Shiba Inu character that they must keep from getting hurt in every battle. The way the game is set up in general could make it possible to hold events with prizes in the future. You don't have to own Shiba Inu tokens to take part, but there is hope that the game will become well known enough to get people interested in the coin that started it all. But Shytoshi Kusama, who is thought to be the main creator of Shiba Inu, recently said that 5% of the money made from the game will be burned, which will get rid of all Shiba Inu tokens forever. As of now, Shiba Eternity is the newest and most fun way to cut down on the amount of Shiba Inu tokens that are available, because there are more than 590 trillion of them in circulation right now, which is stopping its value from going up. At the time of this writing, one Shiba Inu token is worth only $0.000000011. It might be very hard for the price to hit a more normal $1. Since that would happen, Shiba Inu would be worth $590 trillion, which is more than any other thing in the world. That's not something that even the most optimistic buyers think will happen. So the token could only return to a value like $1 by greatly lowering the number of them in circulation. However, about 99.999% of them would have to disappear for that to happen. People can support the burn effort by sending Shiba Inu tokens to a dead wallet, or they can do business with a business that is taking part, like the Shiba Coffee Company, which burns some of its profits. To make a price increase that matters at the average daily burn rate it is now, it wouldn't make investors' money grow even if it did happen, because they'd own fewer tokens with a higher value per token, so their net situation would stay the same. Shiba Inu has had a fun week. First, the head developers of Shiba Inu said that the Shiba Eternity game was finished and is now being tried by users. People in the communities in Vietnam and Australia can now play the game. Some of these people have gone on Twitter to talk about the game, As of now, the reports have been good, and SHIB Eternity will be free for everyone to download on Thursday. One of the biggest Ethereum whales bought a lot of meme coins, which is another big change for the coin. Based on the amount of money it bought, this whale was the 98th biggest ETH whale. At the time of the buy, the whole amount was $3,417,000. More important though was what the whale did with the coupons. This whale sent the ship to two different anonymous banks, most likely to hold on to it. The ship burn that has been going on for a while comes in at number 3 on this list. One good thing about the burn is that it's getting worse every day, which has helped the community spirits. More than 560 million ships have been burned in 54 deals in 7 days, with 257.49 million ships being burned in just one transaction. A new one. As a meme, Shiba Inu has been working on its metaverse project for a while now. The people behind SHIB Metaverse showed off a new, groundbreaking art idea for Canton on October 4th. Canton is a new digital place that will be very important for metaverse users. The concept art for Canyon first shows a way of representing things visually in which a setting has a certain look. This idea has been used a lot in movies and video games to create a clear image and mood that makes you feel more connected to the environment. Concept art ties together the project's original ideas and other parts. The SHIB Metaverse and the third floor visualization studio worked together on the concept art for Canyon first. It says in the official release that the community can help push the limits of immersive environments and give feedback on how SHIB should be portrayed by sending feedback directly to the studio's experts. It looks like the Canyon first concept art is full of rough rivers, exciting adventures, and beautiful scenery. Users can also get lost in activities like water skiing, rock climbing, ATV mountain, whitewater rafting, and a lot more. The Canyon Hub also wants to make its users feel like they are at a campsite or in the country, but with all the comforts of home. The Hub's art idea is only available in black and white right now. Also, the graphic idea came from a number of different places. Lake Tahoe, the Badlands in the US, Salt Flats, the Grand Canyon, and other places are on this list. Other important projects have also been going on with the SHIB Metaverse team. The concept art for 2 more hubs for Wagmi Temple and Rocket Pond projects was found by the Metaverse team in September of last year. The Wagmi Temple stands for the idea of Zen meditation and mental relaxation. The Wagmi Temple's look is also influenced by shrines and meditation centers around the world. The reason it was made was so that Metaverse users could enjoy spiritual and relaxing activities like yoga, meditation, and more. The SHIB Metaverse team said that the idea of Rocket in the crypto community was linked to energy, action, and huge price jumps. The goal of the Rocket Pond Hub, on the other hand, hasn't been very clear. Since the beginning of the crypto winter in 2022, people have been trying to sell Shiba Inus. The SHIB cryptocurrency did really well during the bull run last year in 2021. Not long ago, Shiba Inu's tech team worked on important projects like the metaverse developments. Shytoshi Kusama, who is in charge of developing Shiba Inu, said that 2023 will be a great year for the currency. He said that in the next year they would be able to get rid of a lot of the tokens